You're listening to Satyavani,
the voice of the APJ Satya University, India's first liberal arts and meta university.
For further information, please visit our website university.apj.edu/. university.apj.edu/.
It was a Saturday morning. I just looked outside my window to find out how many youngsters were playing in the park beside my apartment. I was surprised, or shall I say I was shocked. There was not a single youngster in the park. Suddenly my phone rang. Oh, it was my best friend's call. Hi, क्या कर रही थी? कुछ नहीं, बस ऐसे ही. क्या हुआ? Why are you sounding so depressed? यार, आज मैंने बाहर पार्क में देखा तो हैरान हो गई. आज छुट्टी है और एक भी दोस्त नहीं है पार्क में. आजकल सब कितना पढ़ाई करते हैं. अरे पागल, आजकल सब पार्क में कम और मॉल्स में ज्यादा मिलेंगे तुझे. The last sentence really echoed in my mind. Is it really so? The youngsters today are interested more in malls rather than playing in park. Hello, I am Pushpita De, a student of BGMC first year. To find out the answer, I just landed up in one of the leading malls of Delhi NCR zone, Omax City Mall in Gurgaon. I talked to some of the youngsters in the mall. Some were also in their plus 2 level.
Hi, my name is Suman Sharma and मैं 19 year old की हूँ और मैं यहाँ पर ईजी डे मार्केट में जॉब भी करती हूँ प्लस साथ में अपनी पढ़ाई भी कंटिन्यू कर रही हूँ. BA सेकेंड ईयर में कर रही हूँ एंड ईजी डे में आके काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है एंड ठीक है, स्टोर नॉट बैड, काफ़ी अच्छा है मार्केटिंग एंड और आगे इन फ्यूचर में 5 ईयर बाद ऐसे गवर्नमेंटेड जॉब करना चाहती हूँ.
Morning, my name is Akhil Palwar. My age is 15 years. I am in Omax City Center. After some years, I want to be in NDA and a good person.
My name is Anurag Pannur. I am 13 years old and my aim in life is to be a doctor. मैं यहाँ पे साल में 10-12 बार आता हूँ और यहाँ से कुछ सामान लेके जाता हूँ, बुक्स वगैरह, ड्रेस, शूज सब.
मेरा नाम तरुण है और मैं BSc सेकेंड ईयर में हूँ गुड़गांव से और मैं मॉल्स में कभी कभी संडे को आता हूँ कपड़े वगैरह ख़रीदने के लिए और 10 साल बाद नहीं बल्कि उससे पहले ही मेरा एम ये है कि मैं एयरफोर्स में लगूँ और मैं देश सेवा करना चाहता हूँ.
My name is Ravikant and I come to this mall to enjoy my time, to save my time and to eat food and enjoy with my friends. And I want to become an engineer or I want to go in NDA because I think NDA is perfect for me and I always dreamt of being in NDA or I'll become an engineer because I want to earn a lot of money.
My name is Khushi and I am from class 7th. I come very often to this mall and what I do, I'm a student in Scottish International School. My aim in life is to become a lawyer because I'm very good at sorting out and criticizing something. Logical information. Yeah.
Hello, I'm Urja. I'm 17 in class 12. We don't really come to malls often, not very fond of it, being a science student USA. 10 years down the lane, I might like to see myself as a pilot. That's what I aim of. I belong to a defense background. My parents have all been there, so yeah.
My name is Gauri and I'm 12 right now and I'm in 8th class. And my aim is to become a dentist. After 10 years, I like to become a dentist.
Hi, my name is Indira. I'm 13 years old and I'm in class 8. I come here every alternate weekend or every weekend. I usually just window shop, or if I find something I like, I buy it, obviously. In 5 or 10 years, I would like to see myself either studying history or becoming an archaeologist, studying for that. Mostly because I like traveling the world and I like old stuff, so basically.
Hi, I am Prerika and I am 22 years old, and I most likely come once a week or so to Ambience, and in 10 years or 5 years of time I find myself on top of a corporate organization and making the most of my life. Thank you.
I'm Mansi, I study in class 6 and I come just once in a week here, and I want to become an engineer when I grow up, as I like maths and this is my aim in the life.
These were some of the youngsters having a good time in the Omax Mall of Gurgaon. But I need to know more about them. Shall I go to another mall? Okay, let me go. Why not go to the Ambience Mall in Gurgaon?
My name is Anmol Thakur. I'm in 10th standard and my age is 15 years. And after 5 to 10 years, I want to be successful and a teacher. It's my dream because I like guiding students for a particular subject. English is my favorite subject, and so I want to teach English as my preferred subject.
Hi guys, I'm Sandeep Singh. This time pursuing BSc with PCM from Banaras Hindu University. I want to be a RJ in the future. Then after I completed my bachelor degree, and then I qualified the Jamia Islamia University and master in mass communication. That will apply for that. I want to be a RJ in the future.
Young students having a day out in Gurgaon's largest shopping mall, Ambience. I understand youngsters from middle-class background have adopted the culture of visiting shopping malls as an integral as well as inspirational part of their modern life. I think now I understand them better. That's it in this program. Thanks for listening. I am Pushpita De, BGMC first year student at APJ Satya University, signing off from Satyavani radio station. Bye.
You're listening to Satyavani,
the voice of the APJ Satya University, India's first liberal arts and meta university.
For further information, please visit our website university.apj.edu/. university.apj.edu/.